In this experiment, we'll use the apparatus as shown to observe the total internal reflection of light. First, connect the ray box to the power supply. Put the paper protractor in front of the ray box and place a semicircular perspex block on top of it. Direct a light ray towards the curved edge of the semicircular perspex block with an angle of incidence of 10 degrees. Increase the angle of incidence and observe what happens to the angle of refraction. Now, continue to increase the angle of incidence until the refracted ray emerges along the straight edge of the glass block. The angle of incidence is now equal to the critical angle. Increase the angle of incidence further and observe carefully what happens.